Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll find the slope of the tangent to the curve at given point. So we are given the equation of the curve as y equals 4 plus x over x minus 2, and we have to find the slope of the tangent at the point 8, 2. So the first step is to write the formula for slope of a tangent using the difference quotient expression. So that formula is m equals limit h approaches 0 and f at a plus h minus f at a over h. Now a here represents the x value at which we have to find the slope of the tangent to the given curve. Now we are given the equation of the curve as y equals 4 plus x over x minus 2. So we can write it using function notation, and that will be f at x equals 4 plus x over x minus 2. Now the a value here is 8 because that's the x coordinate of the given point where we have to find the slope of the tangent. So now we can find the expressions for f at a plus h and f at a. So f at a plus h can also be written as f at 8 plus h. So it will be 4 plus 8 plus h over 8 plus h minus 2. So we replace x with 8 plus h. And now we can combine like terms. So we get 12 plus h over 6 plus h. And now f at a can be written as f at 8. In the given point, the x coordinate is 8 and the y coordinate is 2. That means the function value at x equals 8 is equal to 2. So these are the values we'll sub in this formula. So we get m equals limit h approaches 0 f at 8 plus h minus f at 8 over h. Now we can sub in the expressions. The limit h approaches 0, 12 plus h over 6 plus h minus 2 over h. Now we can simplify this expression. So here we have to get rid of the h in the denominator, because if we sub in h as 0 when we apply the limit, the denominator will become equal to 0, and when the denominator is 0, the expression becomes undefined. So we have to find out a way to get rid of the h. Now in the numerator we have the fraction 12 plus h over 6 plus h and then minus 2. So we have to combine the terms by finding a common denominator. Now the denominator of the 2 is 1. So the common denominator will be 6 plus h. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6 plus 8. So we get m equals limit h approaches 0, and then we get 12 plus h minus 2 times 6 plus h over the common denominator 6 plus h, because the idea behind finding a common denominator is to combine the fractions. We can simplify the numerator. So for that we'll have to distribute the 2 into the parentheses. So we get 12 plus h, then minus 12 and minus 2h over 6 plus h over h. And now we can combine like terms in the numerator. So the 12s cancel each other out, and h minus 2h is equal to just negative h. So we get limit h approaches 0. So negative h over 6 plus h over h. Now we can simplify this expression. So it's basically a fraction over h. So we can rewrite it as a division statement. So minus h over 6 plus h divided by h. The denominator of this h is 1. So we can change this expression into a multiplication statement. And for that, we'll have to flip the fraction that's written after the division sign. So it becomes 1 over h. We can cancel out these single h's. So we are left with m equals limit h approaches 0. So negative 1 over 6 plus h. Now we can apply the limit. So our next step becomes m equals, so we sub in h as 0, 6 plus 0, which is equal to just negative 1 over 6. So this should be the final answer for the slope of the tangent to this given curve at given point 8, 2. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this type of problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.